Here is the Long March 5B carrier rocket, which launches China's Space Station Lab module Winchen. This is the country's strongest low-orbital carrier rocket with the largest payload capacity and has been mainly used to launch the modules of the space station. The rocket, which is especially developed for low-orbital launch based on the Long March 5 rocket, has a payload capacity of 25 tons in low Earth orbit and 14 tons in geostationary orbit. Take a look at this Shenzhou 14 manned mission for China's space station. This is the launch site in northwest China and brings a closer look at the only launch pad for manned missions in China. Shenzhou 14 is a Chinese space flight that launched the flight that marks the 9th crewed space flight and the 14th flight of the Shenzhou program. The Shenzhou 14 mission will build the space station into a national space laboratory. China's Shenzhou 14 spaceship, with 3 astronauts aboard, has docked with Tianhe, the core module of the country's space station. Here is China's flagship space telescope, the Qunqian, which means Survey of the Heavens. This can show a deeper, wider, and more accurate view of the universe than the Hubble, according to the Changchun Institute of Optics, Fine Mechanics, and Physics. The telescope consists of 30 detectors, and each of which is bigger than the Hubble's single detector. The China Manned Space Agency released an 8K ultra-high-definition video of some of the highlights of the Shenzhou 13 space mission. Chinese astronauts recorded the video aboard the Shenzhou 13 crewed spaceship during the 6-month space station mission. China plans to send another crew of 3 astronauts to the Tianhe core module with the Shenzhou 14 crewed spacecraft for another 6-month mission. In today's video, we will take you to the vast space outside the planet Earth with China's most advanced space technologies. The country has achieved a great deal when it comes to space program and exploration, from returning moon samples to Earth to starting the assembly of a space station for manned space missions using China's advanced space technologies.